Hello, dear students. How are you doing today? This is your teacher, Ms. Regine from Knowledge School. So, student, our lesson for today it will be about dividing powers. We will just talk about rules, okay? Because we have a lot of rules here. So, let's get started. So student, take a look to this picture. We have 6 rules here, but there are 7 rules. But as mentioned on your book, is just 6 rules, okay? Laws of exponent indicates. So we have number 1, multiplying powers with same base. If we have a same base, that means this is base. A is base. This A is base, and this is also base. If the base are the same, we will add the powers, or let's say exponents. Exponent is power. This is exponent, and also this is exponent. Okay, so if the base are the same, we will add the exponent. We will add the powers. Okay, similarly, A over B. If we have a, the quotient here, okay, A over B, and also parenthesis power M times A over B parenthesis power N equals, you will add the exponents. Okay, so law number 2, dividing powers with the same base. If we have the same base, okay, by dividing, that means you will move denominator, okay, to numerator. It will be A times A power negative 1 n. Okay, so m plus negative n, it will be m minus n. Number 3, we have a power over power. You will multiply power over power, okay? So you will multiply m by n, it will be m times n, mn, whenever any number. So for multiplying powers with the same exponent, the multiplying, if we have the same base here, okay, we can, we have a same exponent here, but different base. Okay, different base but same exponent, so it'll be just like this. Okay, so 5 negative exponent, we have a negative exponent. Whenever we have a negative exponent, we will we will move it to denominator. Okay, it will be 1 over a power positive exponent. Number 6, power with exponent 0. Whenever power is 0, the solution will be a 1. Okay, just like this one, a over b parenthesis power 0 equal 1. Now we have law number 1, multiplying powers with the same base. Here it is, our same base. We will add the exponents. Same base, we will add the exponent, the powers. Okay, number 2, dividing powers with the same base. If we have a same base by dividing them, okay, so we have a note here in division. If the base are same, then we need to subtract the exponents. Okay, subtract the exponent, where m and n are whole numbers and m is greater than n. So you have to move n to the upper. It will be just like m minus n. M and n is a whole number. I mean, whatever it was, 1, 2, 3 till 1,000 million, whenever it was, okay? So number 3, we have powers of powers. Law of exponents, powers of powers. So we have to multiply power by power. M times n will be mn. So the same thing for this bracket, m times n equals mn. Number 4, multiplying powers with the same exponent. So we have same exponent here. So that means we have to, use parentheses and put this a or b, inside it and power m. So we have number 5, negative exponent. So in negative exponent, we need to write 1 in numerator, okay? And in the denominator, to multiply to itself 5 times s, 2 minus 5 minus 5. In other words, negative exponent is the reciprocal of positive exponent. Reciprocal of positive exponent. So as we have here a power negative m, you have to use like 1 in numerator and also a power m in denominator. So the same thing if we have a division, p over q power negative m equals 1 over all of this, okay? Not just p or q, all of this 1 divided that have a negative exponent. Or you can use another way. Another way how you have to put take the reciprocal, okay? Reciprocal to change their places, to change p to the denominator and also q to numerator, okay? So here it is, q over p. Number 6, power with the exponent 0. Whenever it was power 0 equals 1, and also if we have a division equals 1. So here it is, last law. This law is not mentioned in your book, but next year, inshallah, you will need it. Fractional exponent. So we have fractional exponent. If we have a power 1 over n, that means nth root of a. So n is the root of a. Let's say square root of 9 is 3, right? Or you can say 9 power 1 over 3. Okay? So students, this was the last slide for today's lesson, and good luck.